I am upgrading from this, which, man, I've had this for like 15 years. I don't know why it's so dirty. It must have had like sticky residue on it because I only use it once a month. Charge all my batteries at once. I like this because it's super slow charging. I do have a family charger from Energizer, but I just don't like how much room that takes up. So I use this. It does AAA and AA's. But I'm retiring this because this does 2 at a time and does not do independent. So if I have one battery that's just struggling a little bit, it does not fully charge that one. And I'm hoping that this will fix that issue. I bought this on Amazon for, I think, 11 bucks. Link will be in the description below. It says it does AAA's and AA's, lithium ion and NIM, something like that. It takes USB-C to charge, which is cool because I can charge batteries anywhere. And there's the specs if you want to read them. Pause it, screenshot, and check out your screenshots. Yeah. The stuff below me is a charger to test it out. There's the device. There's the instructions. USB-A to USB-C. We're going to try that, plus USB-C to USB-C. Here's our manual. Not quite our language. Okay. Microcomputer management system. That sounds tougher than what it is. Just call it a battery charger. So it does 1.8, 1.5, 4.0. Wow. Charging current, no battery, line included, usage notes. Before charging battery, please look at the manual. That's really what it said at the top right, if you want to go back and look at that. So the device itself, pretty lightweight. I don't know how much weight you really want out of it. The back feels pretty strong. No fan on it or nothing. USB-C, output current, blah, blah, blah. Has little tongs down here for the USB, or USB-A, the AAA batteries, and then springs for that. And then it has a tear off. Good, because it was really, it had a tear off. So I'm not going to mess with that tear off, but you can see it's really scratched up. So I'm sure that tear off would have, I don't see the tear off. There ain't no tear off on that. It's just really scratched up. I think that tear off is just for looks. USB-C in the top. Let's check it out. So we're going to start it its way by using its cord. Got a bunch of batteries over here, as you can see. Some are dead, some have been sitting for like 5 years. Some need charged right now. I just want to make sure it's independent. Let's put it in a USB-C, whatever the heck that is. It kicked right on down there. Hard to read display, but I don't think you're using this outside. It's saying all of them. I could touch it, it doesn't shock me. Let's go ahead and put in a random battery. What's it gonna say? It is charging. So it's gonna charge it like that. It doesn't tell me what the percentage is. Let's unplug it. So it's gonna do that battery independently. That's what I'm hoping for. So with that battery, let's put a AA in there and see if it does it separate. It is doing it separate. That's cool. Let's go ahead and put another AA in there. It's not liking that one. I don't like that AA. Let's just make sure the whole thing works first. Okay. Oh, so it's saying it's half full, and that one is full. I don't know why it did not like that. Let's just make sure all of the prongs work first, I guess. Okay, I actually have a Harbor Freight tester, I guess. So it's saying that you should fall. That's what it's saying. So it's saying that this one is full. Let's see if it says good. This ain't an amperage tester, which I should be doing for this video, but and it says it is replace. That battery came out of a solar something. This one said it was about half full. It says good, so I would believe that it was half full. It has just randomly stopped charging that one. It's very touchy. Okay, let's see if it super fast charges. Got myself USB-C to USB-C here. This is a super fast charger. Let's see if it says anything different. It says full. My tripod's trying to fall again. Let's see if it goes faster. Nope, does the same speed. Let's put it in every slot just to make sure they work. What happened? Just randomly shut off. So 2 of these are dead, and 2 of these are... So I could tell which 2 have already been charged up a little and what 2 are dead. So this is not liking to take a pure dead... Oh! It took off. Wonder if it's that dead. Oh, it's that dead. Okay, so it is taking off. It's just very slow. So there, it's individually charging them. That's what I wanted. That's what it needs to do. I think we're set to go now. Awesome. Hopefully that answers questions. Of course, you're going to see if it gets hot. Doesn't look like you can charge a USB or a AAA underneath, so you're limited there, but you have individual charging, so each one of these should be fully charged when it's done. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps somebody out. Link will be in the description below.